Guys, this thing man is so easy, this one. They are just wasting my time, these things, because they are easy, But because I love you guys, I should do this thing for you, because I want you guys to pass, all of you, Even though I will act as in like I don't care, inside I care, But you can take me as in like I don't care, because I want you to focus your studies there. So, cover this question, guys. Which diagram will consist of which diagram now? Do you see this question? Which diagram? Meaning now they ask a number of position there. Will consist of this number. Do you see this thing? Shaded square. Meaning now this is what they gave me there. I'm given this thing there. And now they ask for n there. I'm given this one there. I'm given the shaded square there, but now they ask for n there. This thing is something like this then. That diagram, the obvious that thing will continue there. They will have this number of square. But now I want to know, but on which diagram or on which position there. But because guys, you know the equation, you will never go wrong. This is what they gave you there. But they ask for what? For n there. Meaning now I'll use that equation again there. Then I substitute. I have this thing, guys. But now I should solve for what? For n. What is in front from what I need? Obvious. I divide by it there. This will cancel. Meaning now my n value, if you can use a calculator, that thing there, this divide that one there, that will give you what? Will give you 5 there. Those 0 just drop down there. But you can use your calculator there. If you don't trust your brain, use your calculator there. Meaning therefore our n value is that one there. And it's good, guys, to conclude there. You can even say therefore on or in, whatever, guys. It's not my thing, that thing there. So on diagram 500, we will have that number there of shaded square there. Yeah. So guys, in diagram or on at, I think there's supposed to be at, guys, at. Yeah, but I hope you can get the idea there. Because the key thing for you, just understand the question there. How do you go with this question there? And I would like to tell you a tricky way there. This question all the time, those last two questions, this question and that one. This one will give you n, that one, but will ask you this thing. But the other one, they will give you what? Or the other one, they will ask you for n, will give you this. That is the key thing that you should know about those questions there. Those two last questions. And now let me just show you from this one then. Here you are given, if the pattern, do you see that pattern? This thing, guys, it's a pattern, by the way, it's a word there. Continue on the same way. Meaning that pattern there, it's repeating the same way. What will be there for this thing there? So they ask you at this position there, what will be the letter there? What I want you to know, guys, here we got position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 there. So that word, guys, it consists of what? Of 10 position there. Do you see? Meaning, if I can repeat this word for a second time, it means that I will end up on 20 there. That word. If that word I repeat it for a third time, I will end up on what? On 30 there. That word I repeat it. As I continue there, I will continue that word. Let me say now, I'm chasing that number there. I end up being on what? On 300 there. Repeating that same word. Do you see, guys, this thing? And at the same time, I repeat that word from that 300. I repeat it, that word, then meaning there, I repeat it how many times? For the 110 there, that word, I repeat it, then I repeat that word there, I repeat that word until I end up what? On 380 there, ne? Repeating that word there. Do you see, guys, this thing? Ne? So now, the moment now I reach here, let's say now I repeat that word again now. I will repeat that word, which is TERMSTE, which is it's ERMS there. So let me just show you this word here so that you will get this thing. So it means now here it will be what? 381, it's 382, 380, 380 what? 383 there. So here it's 384, 385, 386, 387. So this one there, it's 388. That one what? It's 389 there. And that one there will be what? 390 there. So check the question. The question was asking you what there? The question was asking you on this position there, on 383, what letter will be there? So that letter, guys, will be R, that letter there. If you can check here, this, meaning there, that letter there, the letter there, let me say, the letter at this, that thing, it's T, ne? The letter at will be R there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. That's how, guys, you should understand the patterns. Patterns, guys, they can be difficult and tricky. Ne? I hope, guys, this question, you did understood this question. Ne? This thing, guys, I love, to be honest. Number pattern, I love this thing. Because this question, guys, is so easy. Ne? Even that learner who used to get level 1 or level 2, this question, guys, make sure you get it, this one. Because this one are the free mark, to be honest. Modern algebra, algebra, guys, algebra, it's a problem, to be honest. But at least you should have a clue of algebra there. So, guys, without talking too much, guys, because I know myself. So here's this thing. Consider the following pattern there. So this one, it's a pattern that you are given. This is the pattern that you are given. Write down the next term then of the pattern. Next term of the pattern. So the next term of the pattern, they need that term there. For you guys to know that term, first of all, know the what? Know the difference of the pattern there. So for you to get a difference, guys, this is how you get all the time. You say right minus by left. Right minus by left, we got 7. Say right minus by left, still we got 7. And here we say right there, right minus by left there. Do you see? Still we get the same thing. It's 7. This thing, it tells you what? That thing, it's a difference, by the way. It's a difference, that one. For you to get that term, do you notice that a pattern, guys, it is increasing by 7 there. From here, we add 7, we get that. From here, we add 7 to get that. From there, we add 7 to get that. Meaning from to get here, obvious, we'll add 7. That thing, that will give you 36 there. That's how you get the next term there. Don't get confused there. And now let me just give you some small info. If now they ask you a general formula or a general term there, this one, you know that thing there. Meaning now this is what you should know there. For you to know what? A general term or a formula. You know D, you should know C. To know C, it's a first term minus what? A difference. Meaning your first term there, it's what? It's 8 minus what? A difference. Meaning this thing, it's 1 there. Meaning now that equation there will become like this there, which is this thing, it's 7 plus 1 there. Do you see? Yeah. And that thing there, if you want to get it, this thing is position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That thing there, I can just substitute to position 5 here. Say that thing is position 5 here. Try to check, will I get that same number? that thing there, which is 1. Here it's t, then I substitute position 5, meaning this is what I will get there. Press your calculator. That thing is straightforward, guys. Do not panic on the exam. Do not panic. Do you see? We got 36 there. 36. And now, they say to you, describe the pattern in your own words. I already described, guys, the pattern. The pattern, it is increasing by what? By 7. There. You can just say there, the pattern is increasing by 7. Yeah, just like that. There is nothing that you will do, because pattern is increasing by 7. Do you see? So guys, when you see this question, don't panic. Just answer according to your understanding and straightforward. Thank you guys for the lesson. Thank you for your time. All the best in your studies there.